Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. We'll be explaining the Oracle product. It's called Oracle Banking Branch. So Oracle Banking Branch is a retail banking application designed for use inside physical bank branches by tellers and branch staff. It gives branch staff a 360-degree view of customer, their profile, account details, transaction history, household relationship, etc., helping staff serve customers more effectively. The system supports many types of branch transactions: cash transactions, check handling, remittances, loan deposit servicing, account servicing. So basically, most normal banking operations you would carry out at a branch. Also, what's the purpose of Oracle Banking Branch? Why banks use it? It helps banks streamline and automate branch operations, reducing manual burden, accelerating transaction processing, improving accuracy and compliance. It supports multiple deployment models. It can be deployed on cloud. It can be deployed on your premises. So it will all depend how your flexible is your bank and their infrastructure and strategy. So as you're seeing, this will be a landing screen where there is a menu, dashboard, login details will come here. We will go through it together. So, what is Oracle Banking Branch? It's a modern, powerful platform used by banks worldwide to manage teller operations, customer service, branch workflows, and real-time customer insights. So, all your cash transactions, all your customer servicing can be handled through our Oracle Banking Branch. This is designed mostly for your front office application. And as part of the Oracle Banking, we do have other products also, which are called Oracle Banking Origination, Process Management products. Those we will explain one by one once we are learning the basics of every product, basic operations, and we will deep dive into more detailed technical functional business operations. So I request everyone, please subscribe, like the video, share the videos with your colleagues, post your comments, questions. If you want to know about how to set up, deploy, you can always reach out to me. You can reach out your day-to-day problems as well. I will help you out how to debug. Okay, so let's go what kind of operations it supports. Supports the lower operation, so inside it cash, checks, remittances, customer onboarding, and account servicing. It will give you a 360-degree view of the customers, and it has a built-in analytics. Once you configure it, you will get all the customers' details based on the analytical view. Its dashboard is based on role base for tellers, CSRs, and managers. The dashboard will change based on the role specified for a user. It supports automation and it has a built-in workflow. So, in the walkthrough, okay. So under operations, As I explained, we have teller operations, customer servicing, and dashboards. So let's move ahead to the walkthrough. So before I show you the product, I request you all to subscribe, like the video, share it with your colleagues, friends, whoever wants to learn Oracle Banking Branch, understand the Oracle Banking Branch, what it supports, and if you're a prospect client where you want to choose which retail banking product is good for you, you can always reach out to me, ask questions, your requirements. I can show you the product, help you out to choose a better product for your bank. The product. So you have two choices of deploying this product. One is a co-deployment where you can deploy the product inside the FLEXCUBE. So FLEXCUBE will do all the password validations, everything. It will give you a link. Once you launch it, the screen will open. Or you can choose to do a standalone deployment where you already have a core banking product and you're not looking to change the core banking product, let's say Pinnacle, FlexCube, and you want to integrate the retail banking product or Oracle banking branch with the existing core banking, you can do a standalone deployment. It's purely based on microservices. We can connect with any core banking product. I will show you how all these configurations happens. So as I explained, this is a menu where you can see all the menus. You have a teller mega menu as well. Once you click this, the teller will be seeing all the operations. So let's say customer transaction. Let's say if the customer wants to do a cash deposit, you just launch the screen, enter the account details, transaction amount, the narration, any additional field is attached, you will see it. The nominations can be inputted here. If, as part of your parameters, you have made it mandatory. So if you don't maintain this or the teller does not maintain this, they will not be able to proceed with the transaction. You can see your teller help position here. Once you save, you will get validations of the account, everything, and then once it's authorized, you will be able to generate that price. Everything we will explain in the different operations as well. You can also search for the screens. So, and the earlier teller module and FlexCube, you need to remember the function IDs and everything. But with Baron, you don't have to remember it. Either you come to the teller mega menu, or you can just type in cash deposit and you can directly launch it here. As you're seeing, this is the dashboard where different type of dashboards you can show it to your end user. You can pre-configure it, or the end user can come and select the different types of dashboard widgets.